guys, in this video, we're gonna try survive lava for brainrats. You know guys, who is the owner of the game? I think all of you know who is the owner of the game. Because the owner of the game is Kalos and Steak. They work together. Okay, let's play it now. Okay. Our goal is to get a brainrat has the rarest rarity. I know the rarest rarity in this game is godly. It's gonna be hard because it's not easy to spawn. Okay. Guys, we're in the game. Okay, bro, what the heck? We're glitching out. And guys, this in the game had a jump too. You can get the jump power. You can get jump power if you're rebirth. And our goal, I don't know guys, if we can get godly. Maybe our goal, our goals is, we're gonna make our goal simple. Our goal is to find wrong, to get a celestial, like this guy, bro. Celestial, what the what? Shining. So wow, bro. I think she's playing the game so long. Okay, guys. I don't have enough. Bro, the celestial has gone, bro. Are you freaking kidding me? I don't know. Guys, do you know what is this? Oh, yes. Try 2 times. Woo! It's actually upgrade 2 times. Right. To overflow all else 999 Robux. It's 1,000 Robux only. Maybe we can get this thing. Woo! You know this guy, right, guys? This is Cruz. Guys, someone gift us. Bro, thank you, bro. You're the gold. Let's jump up this way. We don't have jump power. I forget about that. I know, guys, if we're rebirth, we can lose our brain rot. I think so. No, let me sell this thing. Sorry. Guys, we got a celestial already, but not. Our goal is to get a full first floor of celestial. Okay, that's our goal now. Boneka ang balabu. Going too fast, look at me. Oh, I see boneka. Yeah. I don't think so. I think even have a mutation we can. Bro, please don't. Yes, we didn't lose our celestial. 3 jump power. Now. Oops. Let's go. We had that thing. That's our money maker but we can get some more too, bro. Some more brain rats. That's it's so good, bro. But like secret, we can get a secret. Okay, guys, in my main account, that's so good. Into the team. Into the team. Yeah. Yeah. Help. Who behind the yeah. Bruh. Africa. Guys. Our goal is to get a celestial. But we already have one. But we're gonna fill the whole entire first floor with celestial. That's our goal now. And to get to max rebirth. You guys, our priority for now is rebirths. Yes. I need so high jump. No. I need this cacto. Kakto hippopotamu. Kakto hippopotamu. Sila spawn, bro. Jump out. No. I love that. Yes. Okay. We're too fast. Nice. Let's look the inner. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be hard. Kakto hippopotamu is the best rare brain rat. It's gonna be hard. Getting. But okay. Let's try to get some brain rats. Wow. Oh, Kakto hippopotamu, you're the best. You just spam, bro. Oh no! Oh, bro, we lost it. I think. Oh, I see it. Bro, don't despawn. Ouch. Yeah. Yeah. Ouch. No. Yes. Rebirth! Yes, we had 6 jump power now. We need now is ballerina cappuccino. Me. Hey guys, if like and subscribe. If this video get 1,000 likes, I'm gonna play 14's new game. Another account because in this alt account I'm Pro 2 and my main account is Pro 2, bro. I'm gonna make a new account. By the way, guys, I'm gonna show you how password this account. Pretty good brain rats in. Okay, guys. Pretty good brain rats in survive lava. The second prize is gonna be yours, guys. Bro, I'm too fast. No, I'm good. Guys. Hindi din. I'm gonna in the comment section description, I'm gonna show the username and the password of this account. This account is all yours, guys. Good luck to get this account. Okay. What is... I think Ballerina Cappuccino is a legendary. This is the best legendary. I think so. And bro, what the heck? Anyway, I think Ballerina Cappuccino is the best legendary. Then good luck to myself because it's gonna be hard to get this thing. No, bro. Wait, this is the legendary area. That's... Woo, God. I almost died. Yeah. Yes, I can make. Bro. Yeah. Oh, I see this, guys. What is this thing? Guys, did you know what is this? I know what arrow is. Bruh. What is that thing? Go back here. It's over in the... What the heck is this? Bruh. What the heck? Guys, okay. I know, guys, we didn't get this celestial in ourselves. But it's so hard to get in the celestial area. Okay, guys. That's all, guys. Like and subscribe. If this video get 1,000 likes, I'm gonna play Colton's new game. I know, guys. This selection, I didn't get it. It's just give me a random player. So, sorry guys, if I didn't get this, just give to me. But it's so hard to get the Celestial. That's all, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.